Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Claudia here. So yesterday I went to a thrift store and I bought this gorgeous pants. I just love the fabric. They're American Eagle and I just love the pattern. Everything about this pants were just calling my name, so I bought them even though they're literally double my size. Like, I'm not even joking. These are size 10 and I'm usually like a size 5 at the most if I want them to be baggy. But I thought they were so cute that when I saw them, I was like, I have to get them. I know how to fix them, so that's not a problem. And I was just about to do it when I realized that I could turn this into a video for you guys. It's so easy that I just wanted to show you guys how I do it. So that's just what we're gonna be doing today. So let's just get started. I first wanted to show you how big these pants are on me right now. They're just very baggy. I mean, they are literally double my size, so clearly they're gonna be big on me. But they were only $10, so how could I say no to them? Like, $10! So we are gonna do everything on the inside. I just wanted to flip it over first, just so we could check where we're gonna make the cuts. For these pants in particular, I didn't want to touch the tag because that's just a pain, so I decided to make the cuts literally right beside it. And I didn't have a ruler with me, so I just used my fingers. The measurements don't have to be absolutely perfect, but just make sure that they do look symmetrical. Usually the waistline has 2 layers of fabric. We're only going to be working with the one that's on the inside, so when you pinch the fabric, please make sure you're only grabbing the one on the inside. So now we're gonna make a small cut of about 1/2 inch. And again, please make sure it doesn't go through to the other side. Once you're done with that and you're happy with it, just go to the other side and do the same thing. Once you're happy with both sides, just grab an elastic band and 2 safety pins. Now grab one of the ends of the elastic band and attach one of the safety pins to that side. Now you have to insert the elastic band with the safety pin through one of the holes that we just made and get it through to the other side. I'm not gonna lie, this is a little bit annoying, but it only took me about a minute, so it's not too bad. Once you get it through to the other side, you can cut off the rest of the elastic band that we're not gonna need, just so it's not in your way. But at the end of this, we're probably only gonna need about half of what we have right now. At this point, there's 3 different things that you can do. The first one is pin both sides down with a safety pin. I would recommend this method only if you absolutely have to, if you're in a rush or if you need it for an emergency. If not, I would go with a more solid method. I mean, this is definitely going to work, but they might get undone and stab you, and that's never good. The second thing you can do is sew the elastic band to your pants, but that requires a little bit more time, and we're just not gonna do that today. Instead, we're gonna do buttons. They just look a lot more intimidating than what they actually are. To be honest, I didn't really know how to do this properly before I started this video, but I googled it and I found this really helpful video on YouTube that I'm gonna link down below, just in case anyone's on the same boat as me and doesn't really know how to sew a button yet. But look at me go. So clearly it's not that bad, it's not that complicated. Don't be intimidated by it. It's actually super easy and I feel like it's a good skill to have. So good luck with your buttons. One thing that I do want to mention is that I put the button a little too far away from the hole, and when I put on the pants, they just looked a little bit weird right there, so I would just recommend sewing the button as close to the hole as you can. I actually had to go back later and fix them, and I'm gonna show you that later, but for now, just listen to my recommendation. Now we're going to remove the safety pin and we're gonna make a hole in the elastic band. Just make sure that it's big enough so that the button can go through it. I'm so sorry if you can see how much I'm shaking. I was just in a very uncomfortable position and I was outside and it was super hot, so yeah, I'm sorry. But anyways, the next step is just to redo everything we just did, but for the other side. And again, please make sure that you put the button as close to the hole as you can. Just a little reminder. At this point, you're basically done. You just have to try them on to make sure they fit right. If they don't, you can just readjust the elastic band. You just have to pull them a little bit tighter and make another hole, and that should be good. So that's it. Congratulations, you now have a brand new pair of pants that fit you perfectly. One last thing, this is what I was talking about before. I just moved the buttons from where they were before to where they are now, which is very close to the holes. And look how well they fit. I freaking love them so much. They're just so comfortable and they fit my body so well. I love it. So what do you guys think about this little transformation? I seriously love this pants, so I'm so excited to finally be able to wear them. And the best part is that just by taking the elastic band out, you can just reverse them back to what they used to be. So it's nothing permanent, which is really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. If you did, please let me know down below. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!